gentlemen, now for the final award of the evening, Irish Soap. Now, soap entertains us every night of the week. It discovers new talent both in front of and behind the camera. It is the cornerstone of every schedule on television, and it's a major employer. I mean, let's face it, Fair City has employed half this room, and judging by the load on the stage just now, thanks to Red Rock, the other half now have jobs too. The nominees are...
Fair City.
Take it easy, okay?
Please.
Go get a room. None of the pair of you!
Lay another finger on him, I'll rip the face off you!
Here. Don't touch my family. Of the vehicle.
Red Rock.
Step out of the vehicle. Adrian! Adrian!
Well, it's 50-50. And the IFTA goes to... They're up here again. Red Rock!
Wow. I didn't expect that we would all be up here again quite so quickly. Again, TV3, BAI, our amazing cast and crew. Thank you all. Thank you so much. Thank you, IFTA. Thank you.
Sorry, he asked two of them that look well on my mantelpiece. Thank you.
Thank you so much. This means so much because it's voted for by the Irish public, and we work so hard on this show. We are so proud of it. Thank you so much for voting for us. And stay tuned because you ain't seen nothing yet. Thank you.
And just a quick thank you to Peter McKenna as well, without whom this would not have been possible.